Kishore Chandra Mohanty, Expert Science, Board of Secondary Education, Odisha, Cuttack. Students, we are reading about the plant kingdom around us. So many types of plants before man evolution, we have been coming together and we are using the plant. Plant explorations uses are in different ways. In our street, in our kitchen garden and the roadside around us, small herbs, shrubs and trees are there. Only knowing something about plant is insufficient. You should collect some specimen and that specimen collecting and pressing and collection of documents is known as the preparation of herbarium. For that preparation, we will take some materials. Number 1 is the collection bag or polythene pack, and number 2 the notebook. In that notebook we can write something about its place, date of collection, types of leaves it has and seasonal or occasional or rare, and the local name of it. For that we can use pencil. Number others are there. After collection of the plant species, with the help of the newspaper or magazine box, as I have collected, keep it inside the paper and keep for some time, for 10 to 20 hours. After that, the moisture around the plant will observed by the Shoki newspaper, and for the pressing we have collected so many plants here. The flowers, it will take at least 24 hours or 36 hours, keep it there. In the 2-page folder of the files like this, you can use 2 folders for pressing hard, keep this one and the newspaper over it, then another one, and after that press you on the flat file you can keep some books or under the file for times together or under the fan. The wind will absorb the moisture and keep it for some time. Then you can, for extra species also, you can use this paper and this paper will absorb also water. Then after it you keep it here for some times. This is known as the herbarium. Plants full species from the root tip to the end, whether it is flowering or non flowering, you can collect by this. You see another species, the red color is not leaf, it is flower, and the green color is leaf. Similarly, the creepers and the herbs. So, like this you keep for some time. By seeing only figures, it will keep for several days together. I have prepared the herbarium sheet of 20 years back. It is there with us. All the materials you should use is without acid, any chemicals you do not want, only dryness. For this also the different herbarium seeds can be prepared to refer in future. The plant was there and the species was survived and how it is evenly distributed and the local name. After that scientific investigations will be done, lineage collected at that time so many, and other scientists scientific reference it will work. The simple work of a student and lack of students of a country, you can take up the activity as in the life and you should collect it. The procedure you remember, the 4 procedure. Number 1 is the collection of plant species, whether one type or the type around us. Number 2 is pressing. Pressing is the process, simple instrument. If you will make the costly instrument also, it will be done, and for the herbs and other shrubs it is sufficient. So, second step is pressing. Third step is drying. No need of any type of other dryer, heat. In the natural process, natural way, you can keep it and that will be dry as itself. Mounting, you mount the plant in as usual characteristics like this, and this will work for your herbarium seeds. Don't, after the entry, you should keep some records in that the habit and habitats of the plant and its frequency, and collector should write his full name, the first name, the middle name and the last name. The collection date is also mentioned with clearly 28th March 2004 like it, and the location can be described in the sheet itself in the back paper with your signature, that the country is India, its state is UP or Odisha or any state, then the third one is the district, and the fourth one is municipality, street and the place itself, whether roadside, whether pond, etc. With that and your full signature you keep it. This is a one type of important activity. You should not complete it in one day. Out of 365 days, 50 herbarium seeds, number it, and within 1 or 2 years you come across with the all documents, and that will be the good scientific record, not in written form, but is the natural form. So, preparation of herbarium technique is the best technique for the students to understand, to explore and to investigate the plant species in future. It is very necessary, it is real activity as and when you can. Student, you continue to prepare the herbarium, and the herbarium preservation will help you in future to know the plant kingdom. Thank you.